What if I told you in Colorado you can legally shoot an intruder in your home, even if they never lay a hand on you? Sounds wild, right? Let's break down the law that makes this possible. Today we're diving into Colorado's Make My Day law, a law that's part of what's known as Castle Doctrine. You've probably heard stand your ground laws, or maybe you've seen movies where someone yells, "Get out of my house," before pulling the trigger. But what's actually legal here in Colorado? This law is controversial, powerful, and misunderstood. And by the end of the video, you'll know exactly what it says, why it exists, and how it affects you. Stay with me, because the details might surprise you. So what exactly is the Make My Day law? Back in 1985, Colorado lawmakers passed a law that gives homeowners a very unique legal perspective. It says if someone breaks into your home, not your car, not your yard, not your porch, but actually inside your home, you have the right to use deadly force if you believe they might use any physical force against you or anyone else inside. Here's the kicker. You don't have to prove that the intruder had a weapon. You don't even have to wait for them to attack. The law assumes that if someone is inside your home unlawfully, you can reasonably believe that they're there to hurt you. That's a big deal. Think about it like this. Most states require to prove that your life was in immediate danger before you can claim self-defense. But Colorado says if someone's in your house without your permission, we're giving you benefit of the doubt. Now, why is it called Make My Day law? You can probably guess. It comes from Clint Eastwood's famous line in Sudden Impact, "Go ahead, make my day." The phrase caught on during debates, and the nickname stuck. But before you grab your popcorn and imagine this is some action movie free pass, let's slow down. This law has very real boundaries and very real consequences. Here's where things get tricky. What if someone just walks into your home drunk, thinking it's their own place? Or maybe your neighbor's teenage kid sneaking around. Does the law protect you if you pull the trigger then? That's where courts have to step in, and that's why this law is so debated. Critics argue it encourages people to shoot first and ask questions later. Supporters say it empowers homeowners to protect their families without having to second guess themselves during a break in. The problem? Real life isn't always black and white. Intruders don't wear name tags that say dangerous criminal or oops, wrong house. That's the gray area, is what makes Make My Day law so controversial. Let's look at how this plays out in the real world. Cases across Colorado have tested the limits of this law. In some, homeowners were cleared after shooting intruders, even when the intruders didn't attack first. In others, people faced charges because prosecutors argued the situation didn't actually qualify under the law. Here are the three main rules of the Make My Day law. 1. The intruder must be inside your home, not your garage if it's detached, not your car in the driveway, not your front porch. It has to be inside the actual dwelling. 2. The entry has to be unlawful. If you invited someone over, even if the vibe goes sour, you can't suddenly claim Make My Day protection. It's about someone breaking in or entering without your permission. 3. You must reasonably believe the intruder might use physical force. The law assumes that if this is true, they're inside, but the word reasonably still matters. For example, if a confused, unarmed elderly neighbor wanders in, a jury might not see deadly force as reasonable. The law basically says once someone crosses into your home unlawfully, you're not expected to run away, hide in a closet, or wait for them to swing first. You can act decisively. But here's something most people don't know. If you use deadly force under this law, you're immune from both criminal prosecution and civil lawsuits. That means the intruder's family can't turn around and sue you for wrongful death. That's huge because in many states, even if you're cleared criminally, you could still face a costly civil case. So let's wrap this up. Colorado's Make My Day law gives homeowners one of the strongest forms of legal protection in the country when it comes to defending their home. It means if someone unlawfully enters your home and you believe they might use force against you, you can use deadly force, and the law shields you from criminal charges and civil lawsuits. It's powerful, it's controversial, and it's been tested again and again in Colorado courts. But here's the takeaway. This isn't about playing hero or living out an action movie. It's about understanding your rights, your responsibilities, and the very real consequences of split-second decisions. Want to learn about an alternative to deadly force? Visit us online or in person at Byrna, Denver. We have launchers, sprays, and alarms to help you be prepared to defend. Byrna launchers are not classified as a firearm and are legal in all 50 states. No background checks or permits required. Our in-store range allows you to try launchers before you buy to help you find the best fit for your self-defense needs.